Welcome to my channel, Atlas Brainy Tales. Today's story is The Secret Life of a Thunderstorm. Meet the storm creatures. If you enjoy, consider liking and subscribing. Thanks. Hey there, adventurers. Have you ever wondered what's going on inside a thunderstorm? Today, we're going to explore the hidden world of a thunderstorm and meet the amazing storm creatures, lightning, wind, and rain. These powerful forces all work together to create a wild, beautiful show in the sky. Let's dive in and discover their secret life. First, let's take a look at how a thunderstorm is born. Warm air rises from the ground and meets cooler air high up in the sky. When the warm air cools down, it forms big, puffy clouds called cumulonimbus clouds. These clouds are like the building blocks of the storm. The storm creatures are getting ready to come to life. Now, meet one of the most exciting storm creatures, lightning. Inside the storm cloud, tiny bits of ice and water rub against each other, creating a lot of energy. That energy shoots out of the cloud as bright lightning bolts. Lightning is super fast and super hot, and it lights up the sky with a crackling flash. After lightning comes the roar of thunder. Lightning heats up the air around it so fast that it makes a loud boom. That boom is the thunder we hear after the flash. The closer the lightning is, the louder the thunder. It's like the voice of the storm, telling us it's here. Let's not forget the winds. These winds are like the arms of the storm, moving quickly and carrying rain, leaves, and anything else in their path. As the storm gets stronger, the winds howl, shake trees, and blow everything around. They work together with the rain and lightning to create the powerful storm. Here comes the rain. As the storm clouds get heavier, they release all the water they've been holding. The rain pours down, sometimes in gentle drops and other times in heavy sheets. The rain cools everything down and brings water to the earth, helping plants and trees grow. It's like the storm's gift to the world. After all that excitement, the storm begins to slow down. The lightning and thunder grow quieter, the winds soften, and the rain becomes light and gentle. The sky starts to clear, and the sun begins to peek through the clouds. The storm creatures have done their job, and now they rest, leaving the world refreshed and sparkling. So, that's the secret life of a thunderstorm. From the powerful lightning to the roaring thunder, the howling winds, and the refreshing rain, each part of the storm works together like a team of storm creatures, bringing energy and water to the world. Next time you see a storm, remember the amazing show happening in the sky, nature's own little adventure. Thanks for joining us, storm explorers. Thanks for joining us on the ways our storms are formed in the skies. From the powerful lightning to the roaring thunder, the howling winds, and the refreshing rain. See you next time on another amazing journey.